Good morning, guys! Another day. Alam niyo ba, we are trying this Nescafe Espresso Concentrate. Ayan. Rich caramel sa ating kape ngayon. This is our coffee with almond milk. And we also have some cookies. Cookies from Beaumont. Spinning.
Not from Beaumont, it's from Aldi.
It is from Aldi. My God. Ang liit ng ating lalagyan.
We don't have a big baso.
We don't have.
Yung liga may ang babaw. Pero mix mo.
Oh, masarap lang siya. Good. So, 10 servings to siya. Itong size na to.
So, you sale rin na. 11 siya kami. Last time it was only $5.50.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, the gameplay. Roll the dice, see who goes first. Before I'm going to turn on a pass and show explain the many rules of shoots and lilies we haven't said in the bar. It's perfectly normal to wind up in someone like your parent games that much.
Very fresh yung ating skin ngayon, ha? Lumalaban yung ating bagong skincare. Check out nyo niya yun. From Yes Style. Check them out. Guys! It's night time. And we are eating na naman for dinner. We have, look, fried pork, kamatis, onion, and sauce na may chili flakes and vinegar. Eh, hindi nyo makita masyado. Basta yan, guys. Let's eat!
Very nice combination.
Super bored. Anong oras na? It is 8:01. We are gonna go to Kohl's. Gusto namin na may gagawin. Ang open ngayon, Kohl's lang. So let's go and explore. Charit. Let's go, guys. This is our fit. Pambahay. Let's go, girl. Wala tugnaw. Shorts ka. Oh, there's a police. A lot. Okay. Tingnan natin ang pangyayari. Kailangan natin malaman kung sino ang may kasalanan. Coca-Cola sila. Tapos Dr. Pepper. What? All. Ay, anong petsa na, guys? Yung ating chill-chill. Ano na nangyari? Ang dami na nating napili, oh. Iba talaga itong delikado pala tayo dito, guys. Kasi wala tayong ibang mapuntahan. Ito na tuloy yung ginagawa natin.
Balandang andar.
Guys! Ayan! Boom! Dalawang bags. Hi! We are gonna do a very quick haul. Sige, mag-haul na lang tayo, guys. Kasi medyo madami din naman ito. Diba? First thing is, I'm happy about this one kasi lulutuin natin to siya. Popcorn. Tapos meron tayong toge. We have beef. Ito talaga ay masarap. Lemon lime bitters. If naalala nyo, there was a point in our lives na lagi kami bumibili to. Waterfords. Tapos ito, ay, tingnan nyo guys, meron tayong ice cream bar na matcha. Hindi ko alam kung saan galing. Nabasa namin kanina eh, pero masarap to for sure. We also bought this one. Meron din tayong prutas, guys. My God, ang mahal-mahal ng kiwi dito. Kiwi fruit. Ooh. Paano di ka, Aniday? English muffins. And ito, ricotta and spinach ravioli. First time natin ito itatry. Ang sarap siya. Turtle chips. And then, alam nyo ba, gustong gusto ko talaga tong mga pickled na ginger. So, ayan. Bili tayo. Dito naman sa isang malaking bag, we have drinks, guys. Ito naka-sale kasi siya. 50% off siya. Belvoir Farm. Sparkling Mango and Peach. Sure namin makita yun. Nakita ko din to Bundaberg na passion fruit. Ito hindi ko pa na-try. Pero sana talaga masarap siya. So, meron tayong 6 kasi na drinks. Maganda to siya pambaon if ever, you know, gusto natin ng sugary drinks. We also have, meron tayong potatoes, guys. Kaya natawa ako. Sabi ko, ay, parang na talaga tayong nag-grocery ngayon. Chill lang sana kami. Like, kung ano lang sana yung gusto naman kainin ba? Kanina. Pero, hindi. Naging ano siya, proper grocery. Tapos, meron tayong brown onions. We also have kumara or sweet potato. Meron pa tayong meat. Meron pa ditong meat. Wait muna. Meron tayong, what's this? Tofu. Firm na tofu. Dalawa. We have this Philadelphia na creamy cheese. Cream cheese. Campbell na mushroom soup. Ay, hindi. Cream of mushroom. This one is a new flavor from Ultimate. And masarap yung Ultimate talaga, guys, na yogurt. So, trinay lang din namin. Banana Delight. Ganda yan. Tapos, we have kimchi. Kasi meron talaga mga ulam na gusto mo mag-kimchi. We have this tomatoes. Apple cider vinegar and fiber gummies.
Yeah, that's good for your digestion too.
This is yours. How much was that? Ito, meron tayong super B complex. And, yung salt natin. Ika na maabusan yung salt natin kahapon sa ating luto. And the last one is the meat. Here you go, girl, the meat. Oopsie, no space. That's it. Let's arrange.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then when you prove me wrong, I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so...
Ano ba daw? Ito ng tilawan. Bidaw. Apple cider. Is it good? Sure, I?
Apple.
Where? Let me try.
Apple na dito sa bugsuka.
Matarang ba?
Apple na dito sa bugsuka. Wait.
Okay naman. Pilig mo tagsuka. Good. Ay lang.
2 gummies daily. Ano man?
Ito ganahan niya eh.
Anong buwan ba? Nanay ka pag-episode?
Ang what? Ay, Friday! Sure, oy, dili pa karon. Ay! Love is blind.
Papa, di mo ba phone ka?
Ako na dayon? Kaon na pero. Sige na ko naman kaan. Sige naman eh. Kaso mo ano niya ang Siargao?
No, it doesn't. Meron tayo ng drink.
14 hours in Cebu.
Waterfront.
Trying the matcha. Nakailang vlogs na kami, guys. Kasi dito. Ganito lang siya kaliit. Let's see.
Bye. Not ready.
Ang sarap. Gusto ko din kasi maliit lang siya. Sarap. Guys, we are fresh. May magki-clean pala dito bukas, so kailangan natin maligo na early. Anyway, guys, itatry natin yung ating nabili sa Japan. So, this is vitamin C. Brand is Roto. So, sabi nila maganda daw to. So, since I have hyperpigmentation from our previous acne na nakuha ko din nung pumunta tayo ng Japan, gagamitin ko siya. Dito lang tayo kasi naliligo na si Madam. So, you see? Yan. Mga hyperpigmentation natin. And vitamin C can help with that. So, nakapag toner na ako, the next step is gonna be this. This is the first time na gagamitin ko siya. Ay, sana maganda. Actually, sabi nila, dapat morning ko daw siya gamitin. Pero, gusto ko na siya itry ngayon talaga. Malinis yung mukha natin, so okay lang na. Directly to the skin. Oh my God, ang bango niya. My goal is matanggal talaga ito. Kasi this one, I got this nung nag-plane ride tayo. Tapos hindi ako nag-wash nga ng face. Kasi pag nakamiss talaga ako ng pag-wash ng face, guys, the next day, meron talagang tutubo. So, ganun ka-sensitive yung mukha ko. So, pag minsan na nakakatulog ako, like after a shift, hindi pa ako nakakapag-wash ng face, ay, tutubo talaga agad-agad. In fairness lang, bango niya. Ayan. Tapos, the rest of my skincare is nasa loob ng toilet. So, later ko na to siya tapusin. Nakalak na, hindi ko nakuha. Ayan, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Sabi kasi nila, maganda daw talaga to. Ay, ito din pala. Wait, tanggal na siya. So, ito din pala, ginamit ko siya today kasi meron akong mga bumps talaga dito sa aking chest. This is the Naturi Hato Moge Skin Conditioning Gel. Nabili ko din to sa Japan and hopefully mag-work siya. Kasi for some reason talaga, meron talaga akong mga bumps dito sa aking chest na hindi ko alam kung paano ko ba siya matatanggal. So, ayan. Hopefully mag-work itong dalawa. Tapos guys, nakita ko tong dalawang to sa aking bag. So, nag-go through lang ako ng mga pandamig na clothes kanina before we went to Kohl's. Tapos, nakita ko to. So, we're gonna use this one. Magsi-skincare tayo ni Misha. And then this one, this is Misha. Grabe, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit guys when I was nagtatrabaho pa lang ako sa Cebu. Ito talaga yung paborito kong ginagamit, the number 23. Meron siyang sun protection factor 42. So, maganda to siya. This is a BB cream. And happy na talaga ako pag nakakabili ako nito before. Yung aking CC cream ngayon is tapos na din yung maubos. So, tamang-tama kasi meron na ako. I don't need to buy. Pero, kailan ba ito na-expire? So, matagal pa naman siyang ma-expire. Pero I'm very happy na nakita ko to kasi nakatago lang talaga to siya sa bag. Otherwise, maaabutan na naman ito ng expiry date. Sayang na sayang. Ayan. So, yes, I'm very happy. Lalabas ko to. Then this one, I'm gonna put it sa ating fridge. Oh my God, you're so pretty, girl! Kakatapos ko lang i-facial si Michelle. Look at her!